Hey guys, it's me, Targets, and welcome back to unboxing. I know we're doing our first unboxing, and I am joined here with my sister Olivia.
Yeah!
Yeah! We're finally doing my unboxing, my Sade's cool headset that you guys are now going to listen to. So, let's take our cool Amazon box and... Okay, oh. Ah. So cool. Oh! Alright, we got this. It looks like a... This is so cool. Let me show you yourself. So, oh my gosh. Woo! Woo! Sade's headset. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Sade's sick headset. I'm not joking. You know how much I've wanted these? And guess how much these cost me? Not 80, not 100. 18 bucks. Amazon rules. Go on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description. Olivia?
I'm a pud.
Please. Oh my god. Hold up. This is hard to open.
Let me try.
No, okay. Oh, no. Where did we go from? You're probably like, no, you're a noob. We do? Huh.
Told you so.
Okay.
Ah!
Oh my god.
Put them on.
Hold on. How do I look? I can't sell yet if you guys can hear me, but... Hey guys, BM's Kids, and